right? Simply they are telling that no, it is indexed in scopus. But after that, your journal not be in this scopus. Once published, you have paid a huge amount, maybe 20,000 or 30,000 paid, then no use of no use for your efforts, right? So we should be very careful, right, before selecting the journals, right? I will tell you very ethically how to find a good journal for your research article in the scopus and the web. Right. So journal nothing but is one kind of academic magazines. Here the academicians are allowed to publish their own work, right? So that is the journal, right? Here this journal, every different volumes and issues in the every year, right? So maybe monthly issue or quarterly, halfly, or annual issues, right? So the journals are coming with the ISSN number also, right? Yes. Next, you see, wait, only 1 minute. It's showing this side. Yes. After the journal, you should know what is the journal article. Okay, journal article nothing but it's individual persons the work, research work. Okay, so they whatever research work carried out, they want to get some recognitions, and they have to they have to contribute something to their knowledge and to the societies. So they can publish their research work in the article in the journal, right? So the journal means different type of journals are there. So based upon their subject area, they can publish the article, right? Then one more thing is peer reviewed journal. Okay, the peer reviewed journal, it is also called as a academic research journal, right? So I will explain very elaborately next slide. See what do you mean peer review? Peer review nothing but is one kind of the quality control process by the journal, right? Thus, the peer review means two persons, blind review process. Okay, it's two persons review your article, right? So there's a blind review process, right? So so in this process, unknown person means what? The reviewers, experts, right? Without knowing the author's name and affiliation, they evaluate the article, right? And to ensure the quality of article. Yesterday I shared some the form, okay, reviewer form, right? So the what is the reviewer form? Some quality measures should be taken by the reviewer as per the journal policy, right? So so that's why today UGC and states accepting peer reviewed journals, that is the UGC Catalyst 1 and UGC Catalyst 2, right? It is a mandatory to the research scholars to publish their article in the peer reviewed journals. Okay, so then only your paper will be your synopsis will be updated, it will be accepted, right? And and next one is tips on selecting a suitable journal. How to select the suitable journal for your research work, right? So here first you can think with your discuss with your colleagues and your seniors and your guide, right, about the journal, right? Which are the popular journals are available, right, in the field. In the field means what? In your area, right? Then your guide and your senior professors, they will suggest some journals, and you think about what is the scope for the target journal. Okay, what is, suppose we are going to publish the journal, article in the particular journal means what is the scope, right? So what how much fast how your articles matches with the the journal policy or scope of the journal. Okay, see the scope of why I'm telling you this and all now very important. Okay, see when I'm going to check with the this one article to check the journal in this purpose in the Web of Science, this point is very important. Scope of the journal, this is very important. And who is your target audience, right? If you want to get more citations, means you should go to publish the Q1, Q2 journals, right? So that because this is old, they are very well reputed and very old journal indexed in this purpose, and they have a more index and citations, right? And you should check whether the journal is indexed in international database or not. International database means what? Right? Scopus, Web of Science, these journals, right? And another thing is what is the what is the author guidelines? What type of articles they are accepting, right? So maybe the case study or book review or empirical study, conceptual study, what type of article they are accepting, and how many days will take time to publish the article, and what is the acceptance rate. And if you have any doubt at that time, any doubt means you can send your abstract with the title to the respective journal and get ask me some opinion about your article, whether the article is for the particular journal or not. Okay, before submitting your full article to the journal, you can contact the editorial board member, chief editor, through email and submit your abstract and ask some opinion, right? So it will be helpful to safeguard from escape from this one rejections. Okay, so and next one is important points for selecting a journal. So important points for selecting journal means, right? See, suppose we are going to check the Web of Science, whether the journal is available in the Web of Science or not. Okay, so here I will share the link to you in the chat box. If it is possible, you can also check, right? See the chat box. I will share the link to you. Already I shared the PPT for you. Yes. See this link. You can check. This is for Web of Science journals. Okay, you can check whether the journal is indexed in Web of Science or not. Right. See your chat box. Right. Yes. So this website is is the yes. What is mentioned? Yes. Okay. Yes. So this is a Web of Science group. That is previously this website this Web of Science maintained by the Thomson Reuters. Now Clarivate Analytics, they are maintaining Web of Science, right? So here in the Web of Science we can easily check the the journals which is suitable for you. Okay, so it is a free of cost. You can create the login, right? So here one account is a free account. Create free account. You can create the free accounts, right? So already I have created the free accounts, right? So I just click the login. I'll tell you. Yes. See, there's some problem with the login page, but anyway, we'll check again. See here, login, we can create the login. Okay, if you want, you can create the account. Okay, so here I already created the account. Okay, so now yesterday I told be ready with the abstract and the title of your article. Right now I will show live example how to check the journals. Okay, so here one option is that okay, already have a manuscript. Yes, I have manuscript. Just you can click this manuscript, match manuscript. It will go, but system is very slow for me today, so that's why it's late. Yes. So here, if you click this one, manuscript, see, if you click this match manuscript, this box will open. Okay, in this box, you can type your copy paste your title and here abstract. Then you can check the suitable journals for your article. So here I have women entrepreneurs engaged in food processing management. This is my article. This is for rough, okay, for our purpose it just created. Now I'm going to copy paste here. This is the article title and abstract. Okay, so this is abstract. Now I copy paste. Okay, so now I completed two steps. One is title and another is abstract. Now I'm going to check the suitable journal for my article in Web of Science. In Web of Science. So just after that, you just click the find journals. Yes. See. Yes. See now, I given only this one title and abstract, right? So now the journals, which are the journals are suitable for my article in Web of Science, right? It's the author on Web of Science, group of Web of Science group, okay, journal, websites. So according based upon my article, right? So this is the one journal, okay, journal of the science and food and agriculture. Okay, so this is coming under, right, core collection, science citation and index expanded, right? So what are the additional web indexes, biological abstractions, something there. Okay, so this journal, right, suitable for my article, right, Web of Science journal. Okay, then sustainability. This is one of the Web of Science journal. Like this also index in this science citation index expanded, social science citation index, right? So these journals also is there. Okay, and who is the publisher? So you can check. This is a village. This is a village, right? And this is the MDPA publisher, Switzerland, under Polymer International. Polymer International, one article, one journal. This is also coming under published by village under citation, science citation index expanded, under this journal, Journal of Chemical Technology, Biotechnology. It is also village under science citation index expanded. Right. So these are the journals. See the Sage Open. Okay, the Sage Open, Sage Publications, right? Social Science Index, citation index, right? Everything. Okay. So this one, another one. See European Journal of Sustainable Development, right? So this is so many journals are available. Small Business Economics. This is another one. Journal Springer Web of Science Index, right? So these many journals are available and suitable for my article. So this is the way we can check your journal in this Web of Science, right? Then once it's matched, then you can submit your article to the particular journal, the Web of Science journal, right? Next. Okay. So next, then we can check the the availability of the journal when they are publishing the article, and what is acceptance range also, and the scope of the journal. This is very important, and what type of articles they are publishing by the journal, okay, empirical or or case study, anything, and what is the review process, peer review process, and what check the author guidelines, and whether it's open access or anything. Then who is the audience, right? And what is the acceptance rates, and what is the rejection rate, and how many days will take, how many days or how many weeks will take time to review your article, right? So then who is the publisher, that are the, right? Then you should be read the author guidelines very carefully, right? So then how to choose the journals for submitting your paper, right? So here is that match between the subject of your article, right? So what is your subject area or your main theme of the article, and you check the journals the aim and the scope and what are the keywords they are accepting and who is what audience and whether the journalist indexed or not, right? And what is the the current value of the publications. Then how many years of journalists available in the particular indexed database. And these are the checklist for journal selection, right? Again, it's come repeat, but don't worry. So here, subject. First, you check your article subject that is matching with the journal scope. Okay, aim and scope, and whether the journal accept your type of journal. So you have prepared one type of article now. So whether the journal, that particular type of article they are accepting or not. And you read the read the target audience. Who are the target audience? And under whether it's online edition or printed edition, and what is the impact factor, and whether the journal is very prestigious and very good reputed journal or not, and how many days will take time for submission and acceptance of the article, and how many times the particular journal publishing the articles, and what is the publication charges. Publication charges are article processing charges. Then how many pages they are accepting the article, maybe 10 pages or 15 pages, whether this one color or black and white, and everything you should be checked, right? And see the tools for finding a journal for publication. Okay, I will share you. Okay, so after 2 slides I will share the link to you, right? So elsewhere journal finder is there, is purely this one scopus, right? So here also we can check. Then end note match and author name estimator, right? These are the websites available to check the the scopus journals. And the publisher Floris, then Springer, journal suggestor, think, check, submit, Web of Science master list. Already we checked the Web of Science master list, right? So next, see the find my journal, DOAJ. This and all we checked, and see now I share this link to you, right? So first one is journal finder elsewhere, and Springer, Village, and journal guide. So these 4 things I will share one by one, right? Please check your article with this journal, these websites. Okay, so yes, I will share all the things to you. Yes, I shared all the details. You check one by one. Okay, so now first I'm checking journal finder. Now we are going to check the journal finder in the elsewhere. Right? After that we can check one by one. Okay, first elsewhere. Okay, so the methodology very okay. Title, paper title, and abstract, and keywords, and the field of research. That is enough. Okay, so this one, journal finder in elsewhere, right? Elsewhere, this one, scopus index journals are available. So title, article title. Please all of you follow same steps by using your article, right? Now finished. Okay, so I didn't prepare any this one keywords. So keywords I don't have. Then, but the field of research, field of biological sciences, biochemistry, genetics, molecular biology, environmental sciences, then microbiology and neuroscience, pharmacology, right, pharmaceutics, chemical, mathematics, physics, autonomy, astrology, science, arts and humanities, business and management, right, economics, psychology. Is it visible, sir? The participants? Is it visible? Okay, okay, okay. Some network issue. That's why it's happened. Okay, so okay, see now I finished this one, title and abstract, right? So then going to choose the field. Okay, which field you can choose the area. So mine is business and management and accounting. I choose this one. Then I click this one, find journals. Okay, so these find journals. See, I will take few time because of my systems some slow. Yes, see, the first one is elsewhere. Okay, see the technology in journals matching your paper. Your paper is not my paper. My paper totally 49 journals are matching. What is this? Okay. Right. So in this journal, okay, technology in society and what is the site score 4.2 and impact factor 4.1.92, right? Then this is very important. See, acceptance rates, right? In this 14 percentage, 14% acceptance rates, and how many days it will take time to review my article. Means that in one paper was accepted means then time of publication 2 weeks. So this is very important. And if you click this yellow line, then you come to know what is the article processing charges. Okay, so 2,380 US dollar, right? Under this one, see, subject area. Okay, subject area of the journal. Okay, business and international environment, international management, education, human factors, and then human factors, sociology, political science. See, this is the journal scope. This is the scope of the journal. Okay, this is the scope of the journal, right? You should be read the scope of the journals. Under this one, benefits to the authors. Authors there, then author guidelines also is there. Okay, you can click, right? And next journal is European research on management and business economics. So what is the score? 8.3, impact factor 5.024, acceptance rate 8%. Then the review process minimum 20 I should wait, and time to publication 10 weeks. After acceptance 10 weeks will take time. Okay, this was forecasting and source change is that 70% acceptance rates, right? Time to first edition 7 weeks, then time to publication 4 weeks. Then if you click this one, see what is the publication charges? 2,210 US dollars, not rupees, US dollars. Then subject area is there. Then this one, scope of the journal. Okay, scope of the journal, everything is there, right? Then this one, author guidelines, author services, everything is there. Okay, so like that you can check the suitable journals. See this one, Journal of Economics, Behavior and Organization. What is accepted rates? 22%. First edition, time to edition 10 weeks. Time to publication 11 weeks. See, like that you can check. So which journal having a highest acceptance rate, that journal you should be choose. Then we see this journal 23%, right? So futures, the journal name is futures. Okay, so like that you can check the journal. See this journal evaluation planning 24%, right? So first edition, time to take edition 13 weeks. After that 7 weeks, right? So this journal, see, these are the steps to check the suitable journals in the elsewhere, right? Next we will go next, this one. See the chat box. See, I shared this one. Another one, the Springer is there. Okay, so journal suggested Springer, second website you can check. Copy paste here. Very slow. Please allow to check the Springer also. The system is very slow. 1 minute. Yes. See, this is the Springer Journal Suggester. Okay, so here also we can copy paste our, this one. What is this one? A manuscript title. Again, then here manuscript abstract. Then you can check the final suitable area, subject area. Okay, so here architecture, design, biomedicine, business and management, chemistry, okay, computer science, criminology, so many things are there. Okay, you can check the which area. Okay, so mine is business management. I can choose on the business management and click the suggest journal. Suggest journal. Okay, so here n number of journals are coming. Okay, see, first one is Journal of Innovation and Entrepreneurship. So here 123 days is required for first edition. Okay, then what is the acceptance rate? 16%. See here, right side one arrow mark is there. If you click the arrow mark, then automatically you go to the particular journal website, particular journal website. And see this journal of Global Entrepreneurship Research. So how many days will take time? 56 days. What is the acceptance rate? 1%. Then this journal, International Entrepreneurship and Management Journal, 5.94, right? Totally 22 days. It take time, 11% acceptance rate, right? So like that, you should be check the suitable journal, which day, which journal having a very less number of days, reviewed days, and which journal having a more acceptance rates, more percentage of acceptance. See this journal, Annals of Operation Research. Okay, impact factor 4.854, then 183 days, then only then 28% acceptance rate. Okay, but you should wait for 6 months. Okay, nearly 6 months for getting the first review process. Right. So this journal see 28 days. Within 1 month, you will get the result. And what is the acceptance rate? 15% acceptance rate. Right. So like this, you should be checked. Right. And next one I'll show. Like that, you can check other 4 things. Okay, first one is Springer, elsewhere, Springer. Then third one is Village, and fourth one is Journal Guide. Like that, you can copy paste your article title under this one abstract and select the subject area. You can select. Then you can check. Then what's impact factor? Okay, see nowadays they're checking the impact factor, but impact factor not necessary for the PhD scholars to submit your thesis. Right? As per UGC norms, you should be publish any 2 articles in the scopus or as per the university guidelines. Okay, which journals they are telling that journals should be published. And impact factor nothing but average number of times published papers are cited to 2 years after publication. Suppose 2005 and 6, okay, 2 years published, and how many sightings happen in the next year. Okay, then only you can calculate the impact factor, right? And why impact factor is important? Okay, because award of PhD. Okay, so high impact factor means it's good for getting the PhD very easily, because your research work will be good quality, and to get the very good job and a higher position for promotion, increment, impact factor very important, right? And awards and honors. Suppose you are going to apply any awards, right, or any recognition means, right? So this impact factor very important. And why is it very important? No, why is very important? Impact factors. Okay, so because to evaluate the scholar work, your research work, so we so that time we check the impact factor, and to rank the journals, right? And for any promotions, for getting the government fund, government grants, right? So that and all we require impact factor. and where we can check the impact factor. Okay, there are two things, two areas there. Okay, one is journal citation report, JCR is there, or Web of Science. So these are all the world recognized impact factor. So this website will go and will check the impact factor for the journal, right? For example, Thomson Reuters, previously Thomson, Web of Science means, previously Thomson Reuters maintained, right? But now Clarivate Analytics they are maintaining. So here we can check the site, this one journal impact factor in the Web of Science, right? And this is the example how to calculate the journal impact factor. So it is not possible to manually calculate because so many sites, websites are there. That one we can easily check. So this is only for our for easy to understanding purpose. For example, any one journal publish the articles, a number of articles in the 2 years, 2006 and 7, and the cited is the 2008. Then you can calculate, in the 2008 what is the impact factor of the journal. Then this one number of citable articles published in 2006 and 7. Okay, so this is the formula. We can check the impact factor. Okay, so manually is not possible because how many articles they are published, cited means very difficult, right? And criticism of the impact factor. Okay, what are the criticisms? Means the impact factor only for indexed journals. Indexed journal means Web of Science and scopus indexed journals only they are having. But other than the indexed journals, some journals are very good journal and they are having a very good articles also, but they are that and all not considerable. And the impact factor maximum they are giving, they giving to the English language journals. Okay, English language journal means what? Any article written in the English language, so that only they are getting the impact factor. Other than English language means they are not getting any impact factor. Suppose your article in the Kannada, right, or Hindi, Telugu means that and all not considering for impact factor. And they are only considering only 2 years. Okay, previously so many articles were published and cited, but that are not counted. This is also only very very important criticism. And even now only the journals articles are not equally treated, only because the articles which is published in Scopus and Web of Science, that article only good article, not like that. Okay, other articles also very good articles are, very good journals are there, right? But their journals are not considering for any impact factor. Okay, then sometimes self-citings also they are included. Okay, so that is also is a problem. And only the citable articles only they are taking, right? There is no proper equations and there is no proper weightages, right? So to subscribe and to index the journals in the journals, the Web of Science and the Scopus is very costly, right? So lot of procedures they are there. Okay, and use of impact factor. Okay, use of impact factor means only the collection development. So collection development, choosing the journals for ranking and assess the journals and to evaluate and to assess the scholars' work and for any promotions or any increment. Okay, so for getting the grants from the government or any private agencies, so that time we require impact factor. Okay, then to determine your H index. Okay, see those who are doing any research, you can create the your account. Okay, the scholars account in the Google Scholar. Okay, go to Google Scholar and use your Gmail account, Gmail email address, and for activation purpose we require your official email ID, right? Then after that you can click follow some steps, right? In the Google Scholar. Then whatever articles you have published, right, that will be automatically displayed in the Google Scholars. Then previously who are all any authors referred your article and cited your article, it is also will be displayed, right? So that is also we can check the free of cost. Google Scholar providing free of cost Google Scholar the citation index. Okay, so we can check it. Then this one H index. Okay, so for evaluating the authors. Okay, so means we can go to Web of Science and how many articles were published in Web of Science. Then suppose number of articles published means you can check your H index, author index in the Web of Science. And suppose number of articles published in the Scopus. right? Then also you can check your no H index and citation in this scopus. Then publish and perish, Google Scholar citations. So many websites are there. Okay, so this one rankings of the journals in each subject category, right? So here there are four types of categories are there. The scopus index journals. Okay, so they are ranked. Okay, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, right? So most of the journals are removed by the the scopus, that is coming under Q4 journals, right? But Q1, Q2 journals and Q3 journals are very good journals and very good ranking. Okay, so Q1 means highest ranking. Okay, then Q2, Q3, and very least ranking in the scopus. That is a Q4. Okay, so most of the private agencies and organizations, they are only only suggesting Q4 journals to the scholars. Okay, for for getting the more amount and publishing the articles in Q4 journals, right? So Q4 journals and are only for beginners. If you want to publish any article, you can publish in the scopus, the Q4 journals. But if you have more time, so recently you are joined, right, and you have more time for any research work, means no problem. We can choose the Q1 or Q2, Q3 journals. Okay, so that there are no Q1, Q2, Q3 journals are very good quality, right? My suggestion is Q4. Okay, maximum avoid to publish the article in the Q4 journals. How to check? I will tell you. Okay, so how to find a general quartiles in this scopus? Okay, so go to the website Google, then type login the site Simago. Okay, SCIMAGO, right? Then after that you enter the article journal name. Then you can see the bottom of the last page. Okay, so you come to know. So what is the what is the rank of the journal? Okay, I will show. Okay, so wait, I will show how to check. Right. Type Google. Okay, Shimago. Shimaga. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, just you click the website. Okay, the Shimago. Then you can check your journals. Whatever journal you want, you can check it. Suppose I am typing here Indian Journal of Marketing. I'm typing. Okay, so in the search box, right? So here Indian Journal of Marketing is coming. So you can just click the Indian Journal of Marketing. Now then now all details will come, right? So now it is from India. Okay, Indian Journal of Marketing is India, right? What is the H index of the journal? 10. 10 is the H index. Then see scope. I told you the scope of the journal is there. Scope of the journal is there. Next, see last page. You see this is a Q3. Okay, Indian Journal of Marketing is a Q3 journal, right? So the Q3 is a good. Okay, no problem. Like that, you can check the journals. Okay. So for example, you can tell send the chat box. The chat box. See, the paid or not means you can check in the journal website. Journal website. I'll tell you how to check. Right. So then another one is you go to Scopus. Okay. So go to Scopus and we can check the suitable journals. Okay. See, for example, the Scopus. Just to type Scopus and go to Scopus website. No, sir, not all journals free. Okay. So it depends on, so you check the journal website. See, this is a Scopus website. Just to click the source. Then you can there are two things there. Title is the subject area, title, publisher, ISSN. Okay. So here I type here title. Okay. So now I'm going to type the journal name is Indian Journal of Marketing. Okay. So it is coming. Okay. So how to check the journals in the Scopus. Okay. Okay, so it is showing. Okay, just I click this in the Journal of Marketing, they will come to know whether it's there or not. Okay, in the scopus, it is from 2010 onwards. Is there? Okay, so no discontinued for last 12 years. So Indian Journal of Marketing. Okay, then scope coverage years from 2010 to present. Okay, till now this journal is indexed in scopus from 2010 to till now. Right? So this is a not online journal; it's a printed journal. Printed journal, right? So this is a citation index. Okay, so site score 1.6. Then total number of documents published, total number of articles 178 articles they published from 2017 to 20. Then what is the total citations? 280 citations they have, right? Then in the 2021, okay, so how many articles they published till now? Okay, 165 last 2 years. Then total number of citations 337. Okay, so what is the total citation site score? 2. Then here, see last updated on 6th April 2022. Okay, just 1 week before they updated, right? So this journal is good. Okay, then again, so this is the Web of Science. Sorry, this is the Scopus Index journal. Then go to source. Then now again tell you this one title. Okay, SCMS. Journal of Indian Management, SCMS, Journal of Indian Management. Okay, so this journal not collecting any single paisa from the authors, free of cost they are publishing. Okay, this journal is coming under this one, Scopus, the SCMS, Journal of Indian Management. Just to click this journal, right? Then you come to know this journal is from 2018 to 2021 is there. Okay, so this is a home page. This is a home page. If you click this one, directly go to that particular journal website, right? So now we'll check the what is the rank, right? So before that we check what is the the site score. Site score 0.1, 110 documents they published, but only 15 citations is there. Okay, so as of now 158 documents they published, right? Totally 33 citations is there. So now we are going to check. Yes, it is not scopus. Okay, till now 2000 till 2021 is there. Now it's not there. Okay, right, very good. Then now we are going to check the this one, the rank for this journal. Like that, you can check any journals based upon your subject journals. So here is the SCMS, Journal of Indian Management is India. Okay, and H index only 2. I think Q4. That's why it's not there. Yes, Q4. I told no. Q4 journals should be very careful because at any time they remove. Okay, so till 2021, the journal was indexed in the scopus, but now is not there. Okay, so we'll see the latest version, right? So metacognition, what is it? This is journal. Metacognition and learning. This is journal name or what, sir? Metacognition and learning is journal name or what? Journal name. You can check, no problem. Okay, we can check in this. First to check the scopus. Scopus. Yes. So this journal is available from 2006 onwards. Till now is there. Till now is currently is there. Okay, no problem. Right? From 2006 to present is there. Okay, no problem. This is the home page website. Okay, so you click this home page website, directly go to that website. Okay, now we'll check here this one. What is the rank? Okay. This is the United States journal. Okay, H index is 52. Very good. Okay, then maybe Q3 or Q2 is there. We'll check. Yes, Q1. It's very good. This journal is very good. Suppose you publish the article means your range is good. Okay, because Q1 journal. Okay, Q1 journal. Okay, it's high quality, right? So you can go to publish the article in Q1 journals. Okay, it's Q1, right? So any doubts today? Yes, I hope that you are clearly understand the concept, how to check the articles in the Web of Science scopus, and be careful with the clone journals and there. And one more thing I'll show how to check the UGC websites. Right, I'll share the screen. Wait. I'll share one more. This one. How to check the UGC Catalyst 1, Catalyst 2 journals. Okay, so go to Google, just UGC Catalyst, you type it, go to Savitri Pai Pune University. Right? So you click this one, then here this website open, University Grand Commission Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics. Okay, so it's a group one is there, group 2 is there. So before that you can create the login username, password. Okay, login details there. Just click login. This is free of cost only. This one. Okay, so here main thing is what you should know means, see UGC Catalyst 1, okay, UGC Catalyst 2, right? UGC Catalyst 2, UGC Catalyst 1, right? See what they given means the UGC Catalyst 1, right? So journals found qualified through UGC CAR protocols. UGC Catalyst 1 means journals found qualified through UGC CAR protocols, right? But UGC Catalyst 2 means UGC Catalyst 2 means journals indexed in globally recognized databases. So that is called a Web of Science and Scopus. Okay, so before say I'll click this one, UGC Catalyst 1. Just click this one, it will go to search this one. See this one, UGC Catalyst 1 is there. Just click this search, right? So you can type the keywords. For example, select this one, title, publisher, subject. Suppose subject, I'm click here, computer science. I type computer science. Then search. See this many journals are available, but here see discontinued from October 2020 with journal Acta Graphia. Then advanced science letters, it is discontinued from July 2020. Then this journal, see AS transactions of human computer transaction, this discontinued from April 2020, right? So this journal, see big data and society, right? Sage publication, it is indexed in Scopus and Web of Science, right? Then data science and engineering, Springer, publisher is Springer, indexed in Scopus, right? And these are the journals are available for you. See, so many journals are available. See, then n number of journals are there. Okay, but you should be very careful with this one. See the Karbala International Journal of Modern Sciences, University of Karbala is indexed in Scopus. Right, so this and all way you can check the journals in the UGC Catalyst 1, and see this is I told no UGC Catalyst 2. UGC Catalyst 2 means journals indexed in globally recognized databases. Which one is coming here? UGC Catalyst 2 first, Web of Science. But most of the people are not aware about the Web of Science. First thing is very Web of Science. Second only Scopus. In UGC Catalyst, right? So first thing is Web of Science and Scopus. If you click this Web of Science, where will go? First I explain no, there is no Web of Science website. That place will go. And this one, Scopus. If you click this one, Scopus, the home page. Suppose you click this one, it go to Scopus websites. Okay, Scopus website. Here only you should check. We check now the sources. Like that we can check. Like that we can check. But we should be very careful with the cloned journals. See the list of cloned journals. Cloned journal means fake journals, right? So we should be very careful. See group one. Suppose group one means we click the right some. See this is the print journals and original. Okay, but right side see cloned journals not included in UGC list. Okay, so many things there. Cheating. Okay, see the journal name is Abru. Okay, the Punjabi. Okay, Punjabi journal. Right, it's a printed journals, right? But here, Abru journal. See, actually, original name is Abru, but here clone journal is Abru journal. Okay, see here, original is a printed journal. There no website, so no website. Okay, but here they gave website link. See, ISO number same, publisher is same, but here they gave website. Okay, so what is the name here? The clone journal is Abru journal, but the original name is Abru, no journal. Okay, so Punjabi. See, it's only the Punjabi, but here what they given Punjabi and English. It has then this one Adigam is Hindi journal. Okay, Hindi journal. Okay, no website link. But here, what is the name gave? Adigam International Journal of Hindi Revision, Hindi Research. Right, so the language is Hindi Marathi is a fake. It is a fake, right? So we should be very careful. See left side, the print journals are it's original. Okay, so this and all clone journals are duplicates, fake journals, right? Suppose you are published in the fake journal means then money waste, your research work, everything waste. You should be very careful, right? Is how many journals want to publish means the minimum 2 journals required as per the UGC norms to publish the article publish the article under before submission of your synopsis. Okay. So today we discussed about how to find a journal in Web of Science and Scopus, and I have given some website link also. Please check that website link and check with your article title and subject area keywords. Then you can easily find a suitable journal for your article in Web of Science Scopus. And also I showed to how to check the rank. Okay, Scopus journal rank. So that also you can check. Maximum try to avoid publish the journals in Q4 journals. Okay, try to publish in Q1, Q2, Q3 because Q4 journals only maximum they are removing from the scopus, right? So if they remove means no value for your work. Then and also you can check the UGC care list journals. Okay, which are the clone journals, which is the original journals before submitting your articles, right, to any journals, right? So this is my humble request before submitting to before submitting your research article to any journals. Be careful and check the list, okay, journal list in the Scopus, Web of Science, and the UGC care list websites. Then if this is there means then you can go. Otherwise, don't submit your article to any journals. Any doubts? Dear participants? Dear participants, please use chat box. If no doubt means no doubt mention, because today last day, then you know my number. In future, anything you want means you can check it. Right? You check, sir, that's no problem. I given no the website link. Anybody can check, no problem. Rank and all very simple. Go to the Simogo website and just type your journal name, and you can come to know whether it's a Q1 or Q2, Q3, Q4. No problem. Yes, at any time you come, sir. No problem. So I give all the website link, everything, right? So can I take same title for research article which I was? No. See, after publish your after submit your thesis, no problem. Before submission of thesis, we use same research article. The same title means plagiarism will come, and be careful. Okay, so don't use the same article, same name, because how you do the same article, this one. Okay, before thesis, don't use same article because plagiarism will come. Okay, then you will face the problem, right? So we should be very careful to avoid the plagiarisms, right? So you can take any one objective, then you can publish. For example, 5 objectives means 5 articles we can publish, right? So objective, each and every objective, one title, research title. See, the Sage journals are paid journals. We can't download anything. You have to download means you pay the amount and you can download. Okay, see, because Springer, elsewhere, and all, they are not collecting any amount from the this one. Mostly they won't collect amount from the authors, but they are collecting from the other authors who are all citing the download the articles. So say journals, maybe 1 or 2 journals free of cost, but most of the articles they paid. Okay, you can access the abstract, but the full article means you have to pay the amount. Any doubts? Okay, so thank you very much for all these participants for given a very good cooperation. How many journals must want to publish? As per UGC norms, 2 journals, 2 articles. How many journals must publish means 2 articles as per the UGC guidelines, right? So minimum 2, maximum 2 means no problem. Okay, so minimum 2 articles should be published before submission of your synopsis as per the UGC norms. Then your guide may be asked, a number of 3 or 4 articles you can publish, but as per norms, 2 articles you should be published, right? So social work means social work. That's why, sir. That's why, madam. Durga, what name? Durga, madam. See, that's why I told her. See, the social work journal name is nothing. Just you can copy paste your abstract and title in that particular link. Okay, I have given 4 links. One is Springer, elsewhere, Wiley, and Journal Finder. Okay, so these 4 websites, just you can copy paste the journal, say copy the abstract and title, then you come to know, right, how many journals are available your journal, your article, right? So because they are different participants from different websites, different background, right? So that's why I'm telling to enter your title and your abstract and enter the title, enter button. Then you come to know how many articles, how many journals are available for your article. Okay, so n number of articles will come. So and n number of journals will come. That's why I have given the one example. Okay, so just to copy paste your article title and abstract and choose the area. That is enough. Then you can get a number of journals you are related to your article, right? So thank you very much all the participants for given very good cooperation. Last 10 days, you are attended. You very this one first day only some some delay, nearly 1 hour delay, right? Otherwise no problem. Okay, at the time of PhD course for completion, Yes, sir. Yes. Before submission of your synopsis. Before submission of your synopsis. Otherwise, your synopsis will not be accepted. Minimum 2 articles should be submitted before submission of your article, submission of your synopsis. Right? Coursework, you can check the university guidelines. But coursework, that's the first 1 year. No, that time they won't ask. You should be clear your coursework. But before submission of your synopsis, you should submit to. You should be published 2 articles. That's all. Okay. So thank you very much. So if any questions means what's the synopsis and proposals? See, the synopsis means you are before submission of your thesis, you should submit the synopsis, right? So, as per the university guidance, proposal means that before starting your research work, before starting your research work, you are giving the proposal, right? So, I'm going to do the thesis in so and so title, right? So, you are giving proposal, but synopsis means after at the end of your thesis submission, at the end of the thesis submission, you did all the work, research work, your data collection, data analysis, right, everything over. Right now, you are before submission of thesis, you should be submit the synopsis. Right, this is synopsis means it's a summary statement of your entire thesis. But proposal means at the time of joining your PhD, university will ask submit the proposal for your work. Okay, propose means you propose your title. So that this which title you are going to do, right? That is a proposal, right? Before commencement of your, before starting your thesis work. But synopsis is after thesis over, right? Before submission of your thesis, 3 months before you should submit the synopsis, right? Along with the panel of examiners to the university. So that is the thing. Okay. So thank you, participants. If any doubt, please contact me through our WhatsApp. Okay, through WhatsApp. Okay, I will try to answer the queries. Right. So thank you very much. Suppose your college or universities the RVCD programming, please contact me. Definitely, I will do. Right. The feedback link and all you can ask the coordinator. Okay, sir will forward you. But no, before commencement of this today's session. Before that, I will share the this one PPT, right? So maybe sir will forward to you, right? Please check the today PPT, right? Thank you. Thank you, participants.